Hello, YouTube slash Facebook. Um, this is your girl Shreya once again. About to record "You Are Not Alone" by Michael Jackson, one of my favorite songs. Hope you guys like it. The day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be? You're not here with me. And never said goodbye. Someone tell me why did you have to go and leave my world so cold? Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Someone whispers in my ear and says, you're not alone. And I am here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. But you are not alone. And I am here with you. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. But you are not alone. Long, long, long. Why long? Just the other night, I thought I heard you cry, asking me to come and hold you in my arms. I can hear your prayers, your burdens I will bear. But first I need your hand. every day, every day I see that it's myself. I feel slip away. But someone whispers in my ear and says, and I am here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. You are not alone, and I am here with you. Though we're far apart, I'm always in my heart. You are not alone. Whisper 3 words and I'll come running out. And girl, you know that I'll be there. I'll be there. Woo!